and Kufuor Bawumia, 3 girls Takoradi, they were killed in Ghana, buried in Ghana. We saw police officers tell us say Titiwa told us say problem 2 days in less than 24 hours. Say I can tell you on authority. Now I don't think that Tafufo Nyanseni bi obetumi say Tafufo Nyanseni wo MPP mu a that question paying we obegina parliament at the papa be pa and what about Tafu sika kekere onya o da kwaye to.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
So all these things shede eba no Jandama I was say a killing any. Now there's this Jandama a year sa guy we your friend Akwasefua said there or your MP Kumasi ho baby. Now this guy you saw MP Otafo, right? Akwasefua said bibi sa san friend. Now this guy for some time has become a fake news distributor. He has become a nuisance to Ghana politics. This fool has consistently shown say so we have to walk past him. This guy has been lying for a very long time. We try to do point to be say you want say odakwa or bra. We will have to see it say it is a lie. We have to walk past this guy. Send there will be nam krono wusa akwa we ka akopem or timnas owua. We might all think say he's lying, he's acting, because that has been the hallmark of such a young man who has decided to say atro and not in politics. This is not the first time this man Asefua has been lying. And yes, say a young person like this. Some people decided to say yeah to swaba ko parliament na ko nyansa na se bi okofa impuntu bra asantime mu no. What this guy does every single day then say osori anopa atro osori ewia atro na ya chi ne so a only that humility to come and beg people. And it looks like say for a very long time this is the guy behind today Ghana Today, it's a fake news outlet. It is this guy Akwasefua, the Tafu MP. He is the guy behind that Ghana Today fake news outlet. It is always our Ghana Today normal publishing on Facebook and TikTok now. This guy, that is him. His political life is all about lies. Because on one guy saw now on the two doors to change the girlfriend too. A two a good chino. Sanko tekia and Kiachucha ediche the jail for ma. A two a suming chino. Now Osbanan say catch the Ghana for say Cocoa Board. At the $12 million cities, Echo sponsor Black Star for World Cup. And then, yaba conclusion with the fact to say, Cocoa Board, how can anybody call this miserable, big ass nigger as an honorable person to sit in parliament to make laws? How can any reasonable Ghanaian call this big ass nigger? With this big ass nigger, an honorable person. And all that he does is instead of him to come and apologize, or patchow, akase makasem egu obi hufin, makasem egu nipa hufin, na de me ye no, or danwoti TV so jimi no ho, and mamen kanche Ghana for, sa sem na obekato mfremem, say, Cocoa Board, after 12 million cities, the cost sponsor Black Star no, tro, it is a lie. Today, ye nyina be find it out to say, sa nsem na all kano, uchatro, sa MPO why BBLO akwa we akoteki akwahye ne to anamu steady no sa oyi ne draw sa line bi da ne to ase enji sa wo steady ne ye pa why BBL this big ass nigga on kano kre until we need to get to that point I will see a man ko for bi say so we a politician at least I was say we den utumi edi huni or somewhere then mudi huni na mo yeden na mutumi ka no kure ekire de eye bo constituents enkofo mo tafo a omodi akwa we abesi parliament de omo pa ne say konkran na sebia kodi dwuma na yemfa mpuntu mra tafo na nyoma munya mre na ye hontoye ye nya ya kwan nipa wo mabunu nya dwuma nye saa kwasi ampanyi wa ye ne to bibiali wakohye de to otaki na wabetena Ghana na otwatro na otwatro ne ya china na wadane na no and yebusa ne say asema wuke yenda ya chew yesi anya no kre o say oh wan ka say Cocoa Board e 12 million ama Black Stars na emom Cocoa Board dwene ho kwasia we to parliament kwasia we with no credibility This guy has no integrity. We are calling this BBL actor as honorable. Jimmy Way. And I don't blame him. I blame the constituents, because you see, omo abama akwa we no, omo to abama BBL patient we no. They don't look at development ombenya. Omo to abama flag, omo to abama party flag. Because as a member of parliament, you need to be careful. Do your checks. Make sure your facts are right. You just don't go there and malign people. Because one gasa wonam waya wakwaya wotu otek one gasa wonam so because some fa wona ya ebe how. So why do you make it a habit? Say I was sorry pa na as a member of parliament was my main chantro my main kasa muntu obi so and then the relevant. Now I don't think that tafufo wo nyansani bi obetumi because say tafufo wo nyansani wo MPP mu a say question pay we obegina parliament at the papa be pa and what about tafu sika kakra onya o da kwaye ne to. This big ass nigga akwa we ne to egu nechi ne to esum nechi onam the constituency kwa na emma tafre oma no eye emma ya emma di ne ho yawo aden a eto esum nechi eton echen mutuo dansen kwasi ampen wo tutwa ntro eto esum Mr. S get me eto esum nechi echen mutuo dansen onam the constituency na emma kura jealous no be ma besia ba kotina parliament on contribute and for nyanse bia mafie osori awe aye say osori awe aye say ya be chine so a osman kan sa on patch on so on patch e dey na jimini way to meet parliament magana ni bia na no say this is an honorable person. Into the fact of the case near say Cocoa Board any 12 million Ghana cedis bia from our Black Stars. It's a lie. Cocoa Board, they have not taken out any 12 million Ghana cedis. Almost for 12 million in my Black Stars biya. Mema obia enji sa asem ndi. Ekwa sefua aka BBL. Aka Tafu BBL. Ekwa sefua obwa. Edi sa wo hwe me na. Mo a obehia eye ekwa sefua aka Tafu BBL. Mo kan che ne say sa atro na odi no onjai honorable BBL. Honorable BBL. Wakoye ne to me se eto asum nechi echen mutuo dansen. Na kwasi ampeyo ne nam Ghana kekan kwasi asam ni ejano in the name say politics in tea. So this gendarme has been killed. Mema obia nje sa asem ni ndi. We momi kwasi afo they are not ready to help. It mami concentrate almost. Now momi enim and there's something very good happened. And yes sorry anopano. Yet is say Ghana for a year fisherman be akọ epo. Na omoko epo no. Pirates be to be sure more epo so and na sebiu omo try say omo be chi omo de omo akọ. Now all the 59 fishermen attacked by unidentified assailants operating a mysterious black boat rescued. Ewutu Senya West MP confirms. Now, yes, sorry, ni antiasam de Ghana for sebiu omo ye epo for anase omo ye fishermen omo ko epo anajo omo ko fa enam ebreye ema sebiu yeso enye bi eto ewe edwom ede ye enkwan no yati ya no na say nipa bonifo bi akoto ahye omo so ewo poso ema sebio sa nipa bonifo no yenim bebi omo free ema Ghana for nipa beye edionum enkono 59 people and ankofo ye say omo sebio omo be attack omo beto ahye omo so anase omo be wi omo anase omo di omo bone na asem da ewo mu ne say Ghana government under John Dramani Mahama etis asem no quickly Navy, the Interior Ministry, the National Security, the Defense Ministry, they made sure say asem we are Ghana buying able to one more in less than 24 hours nipa 59 fishermen Ghana are buying through the Navy the help of the minister in charge. And most importantly, the MP of the constituency, they worked very hard to rescue all these people. Intiminoka say, all of these men, Ghana for they have all been brought back home. And the Ubia Huanka, because of good leadership, and the Sanko for Wejinano, Yetumi de Oma Abafi. And this is what we have been looking for here. And I'd like to applaud the MP of the area, Madam Gazel. Right? Besides, get me her full name. She really played a very, very important role in this whole thing. So I will check it. Videos about now. The MP was all over the place. She was very much involved in this whole process from the morning. She made sure, she calmed her constituents down. She collaborated or coordinated with the police, coordinated with the Ghana Navy Service, coordinated with the Ministry of Interior Ministry. The defense were also there. They made sure, that swift response now, Ghana for a year free or my they got those response. Emma, at the end of the day, all these people were rescued from the hands of pirates. You can see the joy in the eyes of their wives, their kids. You know, it's so beautiful when a country has leaders ready to make sure they will intervene quickly and make sure to me the MP for the area, Giselle Tete, she really played a very good role this morning from the Anopa. I was monitoring events and I saw her involvement, and this shows how some of our leaders are very much attached to their constituency. Sebio Ochre said, Onoso Oyobatan, Onoso Oyobia, Sebio, Ninia, Ebetumatono, Eye Ninia Bema, Ebetumatono, Sebio Kran, Ebia, Obia, Oyan Hukani Krana, Bibetumakon. So she really took this matter as a personal matter. And you can see through Osha pictures, her way of coordinating with NADMO. And I would like to say credit to NADMO. NADMO too did a very wonderful job. They made sure they were there promptly to make sure, Sanipa Wejinano, Omni Navy, the police, they got, and the Navy did extremely well. The Navy did extremely well. I've seen some videos of the Navy, in fact, confronting these pirates, making sure they rescue these Ghanaians and bringing them back to Ghana. Mrs. Giselle Tete, MP of the area, will show leadership. What say it is not just about Tuabamame, but it is about protecting the lives of the people. And this lady, through the government, through NADMO, through the Ghana Navy, through leadership, it responds to the plight of the people. No, you can see, lives have been saved, and this is what we have been talking about all this time. We need a government to think about its people. Dear Omobe to me are quickly to protect, some of the things there, it might be out of their reach. I said they see Burkina Faso, it is out of the government's reach. It did not happen in Ghana. It happened outside Ghana. Ghana was very limited authority on when Ghanaians are in other countries. It becomes difficult for you to say the government of Ghana will have full control on such situations. But then when it comes to Yanyangasaya water bodies, where we can have control over, you saw the swift response from the Navy, from NADMO, from the minister, the MP, and also the Ghana Interior Ministry. So I'm really touched, and I would like to say to the minister, good work done. Mr. S, Mr. P, do you have a picture of the minister? It's always important we show the minister, and yes, I think I have. Oh, there is a video of the minister speaking on the issue. All right, so let's listen to the minister, Tama Omu Rescue in Kofono, and what she said after her constituents were rescued by the Ghana government through the Ghana Navy and also through NADMO. Omutumi Ghana Fowi Ebafi. I'm trying to get the video for all of us to watch. Team. Yes, I'm trying to get the video so that we could watch, because MP was there and she was very instrumental in making sure the coordination between the Navy and the constituents, it was perfect. This is the MP of the area, Giselle Tete. She did marvelously well today to make sure her constituents are safe.
Information that there was an armed attack at sea. Our fishermen, they go out at night. They catch their fish early morning, dawn. Early morning when the tide rises, then they come back into the fishing bay. So some of them they all go as a group. Some of them have gone and have come. But some of them who went was the Nyanyano side, apparently. I think they were involved in that attack, and they robbed them of their outboard motors and generator sets on the boats. He said it was a black boat, and well, I can't disclose the nationality of the people, but that's what they say. I'm sure further investigations will be done to find out what exactly happened. But the military, the IGP has also dispatched a military marine police also to accept. So the Navy is helping, and marine police are also helping us. Assurance is that's why we are even here. Since last night, the community themselves will tell you that it's like the whole town came here, just trying to get in. We're on the phone telling them, giving them the assurance of the arrangements we try to make. So I think in the next 2 hours, I'm hoping that we should bring them either going to Tema, if the Navy get them, or if the local get them, bring them back to shore. So we are here waiting to see what's in it. But I'm sure, God willing, in the next 2 hours, we should hear some good news. Yeah. So we know that we are in contact with them. But the point is that for them to come back, that's the important thing.
So this was when they started trying to get the people back, the constituents and the Ghana for, and at the end of the day, they were able to get them back home safely. And this is wonderful. This is beautiful. From the NADMO, from the IGP's office, the Navy, from the minister to play a very important role. The minister now, or her fisheries, so this was a very well coordinated work done, and we all have seen our brothers and sisters come back home safely. This is what we need from our politicians. They have to be proactive. They have to be prompt. They have to show concern to their constituents. That is all we need. We don't need much. Make laws for us and protect us. And this woman is showing, say, they did not just vote for her, Keke. They voted for her for a reason. And she has proven today, say, we can, nyama we be counting. They want to keep her for a very long time. If she still wants to continue, I believe, say, when the time comes, people like us will sit in here, talk about her good works for her constituents to give her another nod to lead them as one of their best MPs ever. Inti, I would like to say thank you to the MP, the minister, the police, the IGP, the Navy itself, NADMO, the leadership of NADMO, and the coordinated effort. And these are things it should excite you. You see, hardly do you see our leaders being prompt when issues happen. Hardly do you see our leaders attaching some sense of urgency and professionalism, and also sense of importance to urgent matters. And we are seeing gradually how Ghana is changing, how Abainwe promptly they react to things, even when they take decisions, and the decisions we the people feel say it should have been done some other way. The way they have the patience to explain to us, for us to understand. And that is governance. And we are beginning to see how Abainwe bringing us back to where we used to be as normal Ghanaians. Because under Ekufu-Addo Bawumia, the trauma was too much. Near to Kromha, under Ekufu-Addo Bawumia, 3 girls, they were killed in Ghana, buried in Ghana. We saw police officers tell us, say, we should keep on keeping on. Yatitiwa telling us Ekufu-Addo should told us, say, problem be 2 days, in less than 24 hours, Ombekache say, Enkorane wum don't pay, aka don't pay. You see, this is the kind of thing that they say MPP for Jimia, Osemeboa. We are Ghanaian, Otuaba, your security is important. And you guys security, they are total D girls and the Ekufu-Addo no. So one to pa, a bit tomato and about Umia, so the 2 mana. Because when say time as Ankorami and San you saw the president himself did not even go to Takrade. You saw the president, his wife, did not even go to Takrade. Oh, says Samira Bawumia, she didn't even go to Takrade. Bawumia himself, they didn't care. We have seen so many things near to Krom Ghana. And ya kidnap nipebi or Ghana. Ya tiana sewa what's the name? What's the name? The Ekufu-Addo lady now okotna Ekufu-Addo threatens or bikunu no. I know okotna a plane. The friend saying, because what's the name of the lady? Lady Ekufu-Addo say or this state security threatening no na obeka na asem we show no. What's her name? I've forgotten her name. What's her name? Besides, what's the name of the lady? Lady, you bear the story. I'll bet you say no. So, Saturday, Sawa Bruni. Okay, Sawa Bruni. We saw how Akufo-Addo used state security to go after Sewa Broni. We saw how Akufo-Addo near Ghana, using state security, a kidnap Ghana for. Bongo Ideas is an example. It is about your security too. It could be you tomorrow. It could be you, your mother, your father, your sister. And that is what MPP did. They used us. They fat trauma. Na Ghana for among from post say people could not even go out to Double Street. People could not speak their mind on social media. People could not go on TV to speak. Radio journalists became their motivational speakers. People were not direct in their statement because they were scared of Bawumia Akufo-Addo. We saw 2020 how people were killed because of elections. We saw how people were murdered in the Volta region in the name of say a new group has emanated from the Volta region. Yes, some of Western Togoland. We saw how Akufo-Addo can say Obi saw the kitchen knife. So we saw all these things. We went through all this trauma. We can talk about Techiman South. We can talk about Ayawaso West Wagon. We can talk about how deliberately the state led by Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, they abused the power, attacked human beings, attacked Ghanaians. The state, we used the state machinery to go after Ghana for this young boy and not a BNI, John Ansa. That boy is still at the National Signal Bureau. The MPP, are you mad? Such a criminal boy who kidnaps people. John Ansa. Jones Ansa was a Jonas Ansa. This criminal boy, I'll come back to his matter. These were the boys who were kidnapping people. And they are still at the BNI office. Are we mad? You are still keeping these criminals there. These were boys who were murdering people and kidnapping people in Ghana. What we are seeing today is a new Ghana whereby the government, the leadership, is thinking about you. It's thinking about your leader, your protection. It does not matter who you are. It does not matter your location. If this government can do everything possible to protect you, they will protect you. It is part of the reason why Oto Abapa. I can tell you on authority. In Kofo and the Yakojo Mabenke and the Akufo-Addo Nkomu nyina bewu. I am not just saying it because there are instances so we need to understand. Sanyoma we nyina eka ho na woto aba na wato aba pa na aba no etumi aboa e protecto ama we nyini wo wankasa ukrom. So the government is doing things. Let's not take it for granted.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,